Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can install FileZilla in Windows. Let's go for the browser, type FileZilla, hit enter, and here you can see this is the first link. You can click here, download FileZilla client. So it will actually took you to the download page directly, and we will actually download FileZilla client. Okay, select it, and here you can see we have 4 different options. So we go with the FileZilla default one, and it is in the left side. So click here, download, and it will actually start downloading. I already downloaded this, so I'm not going to download it once again. Let me show you the installation process. Let's go to the download option. Here you can see this is the FileZilla. So I have to now double click on it. Now select I agree. So I'm not going to accept it. I'm going to decline it. Now select next. Now you may have select only for me. Just select anyone who use this computer. So all users, okay. Select here next. Now select desktop icon also and check everything as it is. Now select next. And now if you want to install it in different drive, you can select here browse, okay. But I go with the default one, and that is C drive. So click here next and now install. Here you can see it is installed. Now if you want to start it, you can actually check it and then click here finish. Here we go. Now we can actually share files or transfer files. Okay. So guys, that's it. This is how actually you can install FileZilla in Windows. Thank you so much for watching.